Hey, welcome to Juliet's Dreadlocks Repair and Restoration Masterclass. You are a beginner or looking to refine your craft in dreadlocks artistry? This course is designed to take your skills to the next and higher level. In this comprehensive course, you will gain step-by-step knowledge, skills, and insider tricks to effectively repair, restore, and beautify dreadlocks. To bring rough-looking dreads back to life, using the right tools is essential. In this course, I will guide you through the tools you need and how to apply them with expert precision. Let me take you into the passionate and fascinating world of dreadlocks artistry. Sign up for our masterclass on Udemy now and start your journey to becoming a dreadlock expert.